Hello my beautiful doll friends! Today is a very special day because someone extraordinary has arrived at Ruby Blythe's North Studio. She has traveled a long way to be here, and I have been waiting for this moment for quite some time. Her name is Jane Lefroy. And just look at this box. I already have a feeling that there is a little princess hiding inside. But who is Jane Lefroy? What will she look like when she finally steps out of her box? Will her hair be as beautiful as I imagined? And those famous Blythe eyes? What colors will they reveal? There is only one way to find out. Let's open the box. Look at her. The first thing that catches my eyes is that gorgeous, soft, wavy hair. She really does look like she has stepped straight out of a fairy tale. And those eyes, they are absolutely captivating. I can't wait to see all of her eye colors as we turn her gaze. Her expression is so delicate and dreamy. She has that classic Blythe charm that makes you want to keep looking at her. And this dress, the beautiful turquoise color on her first dress, the star golden details, and the little princess-like design make her look as if she is ready for a royal garden party. But this is only the beginning. We still have to discover all of Jane's details, her outfit, her hair, her eyes, and of course, see exactly what makes this girl so special. So, stay with me because Jane Lefroy's story is just beginning. It's always so tough to get doll from the box. Look at this crown. It's a plastic, but made so well. And finally, her stand. The moment has come. Let's see if the princess is as beautiful as the Jane Lefroy I imagined. Now that Jane is finally out of her box, I want to take a moment to really appreciate her beautiful face. Look at those gorgeous blue eyes They are so large and expressive. There is something almost mysterious about her gaze, as if Jane is quietly looking into another world. Her soft, delicate features give her such a sweet and innocent expression. And those little lips, they add just the right touch of elegance to her face. And look at Jane's beautiful complexion. She has a very fair porcelain-like skin tone with a soft, warm glow. It makes her blue eyes stand out even more while giving her face that delicate, almost fairy tale quality. Her beautiful, long wavy hair frames face so softly. She doesn't look like an ordinary girl. She looks like a princess who has just stepped out of storybook. This outfit is absolutely dreamy. This beautiful turquoise blue color immediately catches my eye. It has such a fresh, magical feeling. And that soft purple and lavender floral fabric underneath adds another beautiful layer of color. Everything about her outfit feels delicate and romantic, but I think my favorite part is how perfectly the outfit works with her face. Jane Lefroy truly looks like a little princess from a magical kingdom. And now, let's discover a magical moment. It's a light brown eyes. And the second, your beautiful green eyes. Guys, I really in love with these deep turquoise eyes. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. And her eyelashes, they are not black, they are brown. Her pinkish light brown hair very complements her makeup. An eyeshadow, it's kind of reddish brown. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And her cheeks have some pinkish peach color. Let's look at her outfit and body. this dress. Very nice quality. Made so nicely. And as we can see, here is a plastic again to prevent damage to the body from the color of the fabric. Well guys, I fully removed the plastic from Jane's body, and we can see these two stamps on the back saying that that's a Blythe 2013 Hasbro, and in the back of her head as well. That makes us feel that we have real authentic Blythe doll. As you can see, she can move in the waist, and she can do this one. Not much, but it's enough to make nice poses. And her arms, no, arms not moving that way, yeah, just legs. And just will show you the tiny feet. Oh, she doesn't have a manicure. She's beautiful. And this brings us to the end of introduction with Jane Lefroy.